What's up, everybody? So real quick, again, Kyle Seyboth, Century 21, Rhode Island, Connecticut, Massachusetts. We are serving all locations. Today, guys, though, real quick, just want to talk about one of the key factors that I'm listening to, and a lot of the questions that I'm getting. Sellers have never sold before. So meeting with a lot of sellers now, they're reading the newspapers, they're watching the news, the radio, whatever, and everything's telling them that it's a great time to sell, as I've told you all a bunch of times. However, they've never done it before, so they're not entirely sure what that means. How does the process work for selling a property? What are my costs? What are the things that I should look for? What do I need to do to be ready? Guys, feel free. Please reach out to me at any time. If you have a property and you've never sold it before, if you have a property rather and you've never sold before, reach out. I can walk you through step by step what is to come, what are the costs associated with selling, and how easy we can make the transition for you from the house you're in now, whether it's a rental, whether it's an investment, into the property that you're looking to go to, or whether you're just looking to sell and rent, or whether you're looking to sell some of your investment properties and move on. Remember, it's important that when you sell, you know what costs can be attributed to the sale. Reach out to me at any time. Let me know. You can email me. You can call me. Just want to make sure that you know that there is no such thing as stupid questions. Would love to help. Again, my cell, 508-726-3492. My email, kyle@seybothteam.com. And again, informational purposes. You need to know. We need to help educate you on what it looks like if you're going to sell a property. Guys, have a great week and look forward to talking to you soon.